Welcome to the multiverse theory, but with the weird stuff you wake up. But something feels off. Your keys are on the wrong table. You remember a line from a movie that never existed, or swear someone died, but somehow they're alive. What if you're not losing your mind? What if you just slipped? Let's take a trip. The multiverse theory suggests there isn't just one universe, but many. Maybe infinite. Each one a different version of reality. Different choices. Different outcomes. Different you. And it's not just scientists talking about it anymore. It's in pop culture. Front and center. In Avengers Endgame, they warned. Mess with time. And you create branches, alternate timelines, whole new universes, born from a single change. Like Loki escaping with the Tesseract. Boom. New timeline. New universe. New Loki. And in Spider-Man, No Way Home villains from completely different realities start bleeding into the same world. Why? Because of a cracked multiverse. A mistake in a spell. A ripple. And suddenly, 3 Spider-Men are face to face, same soul, different paths. But here's where it gets weirder in real life. Some people claim they've glitched, momentarily jumping timelines. They wake up in a room that's slightly wrong. Clocks blink 12 o'clock when they never lost power. Photos change. People remember different pasts. Ever heard of the Mandela effect? Millions remember Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. But he didn't. He died in 2013. Wrong memory? Or bleed through from another universe? Other examples. People remember the Berenstain Bears as the Berenstain Bears. Fruit of the Loom once had a cornucopia in its logo, but apparently never did. And didn't Monopoly Man have a monocle? Nope. Not in this timeline. Even CERN, the particle physics lab in Switzerland, has been blamed for multiverse collisions. In 2012, they confirmed the discovery of the Higgs boson, sometimes called the God particle. The same year, people started noticing reality shifting, timelines changing, celebrities behaving like different versions of themselves, entire childhoods rewritten. Some theorists say the Large Hadron Collider punched a hole into another dimension. And ever since, we've been sliding. Sound crazy? Quantum mechanics backs some of it up. Particles can exist in superposition multiple states at once. Only when observed do they collapse into one. Now scale that up. What if you exist in multiple states and you're just observing one version at a time? The many worlds interpretation of quantum physics suggests that every choice you make creates a new universe. One where you stayed, one where you left, one where you never existed. And sometimes, those universes rub against each other. Déjà vu. Premonitions. Dreams that feel more real than waking life. Maybe those aren't mistakes in your brain. Maybe they're echoes from another you living a different life, just out of reach. So if there are infinite versions of you, how many know they're in a simulation? How many have figured it out? And what happens when 2 of you wake up at the same time? Maybe that's what they're really afraid of. Not that we'll break reality, but that we'll remember we're not in just one. Ever felt like there's more to this universe than meets the eye? Tell me your weirdest theory in the comments. Maybe it becomes our next cosmic trip. Subscribe, and let's keep wandering through the wild unknown, one mystery at a time. Until next time, keep looking up.